what is the replacement for how does the listener find you? Well, my replacement, and I think you've heard this if you've been listening to the podcast for a while, is I say, let's say I'm interviewing someone named Natasha right now. I say, Natasha, has been a wonderful conversation so far. I want to let the listener know real quick that your podcast link is down in our show notes. I also put your website in the show notes, and all the social media that you wanted my listener to have is down there too. So to my listener, feel free to scroll down and you can connect with Natasha. I will see you on the next episode. Blah, 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 blah. So it goes right into, I'll see you on the next episode, and I'm done. Okay. I'll see you on the next episode. Are you hearing that? Are you getting some tips and tricks and strategy? So don't say, how does listener find you? Instead, say, your links are in the show notes. The listener can connect with you there. See you on the next episode. The next one is we got to wrap this up, or we're about out of time. We got to wrap this up, or we're about out of time, is going to make your listener feel like you don't have enough time to give them the value that they want. So if you say to your guest or your co-host or even yourself, even if let's just say you planned on doing a 1 hour episode and you were at like an hour and 15 and you still had time to give more value, like you needed to give more value, but you just felt like you didn't want to pass the hour and 15. Don't say, hey, I have to stop this episode before I give you the value because and I'm only giving you half the value. I don't care about you or your time. I only gave you a half episode. Sorry. You don't say crap like that. You just say anything else. Find something else to say. Instead of we got to wrap this up or we're about out of time, say, hey, this has been great. And I want to have you on another episode because I think you could talk about X, Y, and Z. Let's jump out because I think the listener already learned A, B, and C today. And you actually wrap it up. You actually remind them what they learned. So, hey, this has been great so far. We've already learned a ton of great things. And I think I could ask you even more information on another episode. Would you be willing to come back if I asked you? And they say, yeah, definitely. And then you remind your listener today, let's say that guy was Jacob. Today, Jacob already taught you how to do this, this, and this. Take your time to focus on that, plan that out, figure out how you can implement that in your life. And I think we'll have him on another episode to talk about something else.